How do I change the time format on my iPhone lock screen?
Hello, iPhone users. Today, we're going to walk through how to change the time format on your iPhone lock screen. This simple guide will show you how to switch between the 12-hour and 24-hour formats. Please note that this setting will change the time format across your entire iPhone, not just on the lock screen.
Accessing settings.
To begin, navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. You'll typically find this app on your home screen. Its icon is a set of gray gears.
Heading into General Settings.
Once you've opened the Settings app, scroll down to locate the General option. This option also has a gear icon, though it's a different shade. Tap on General to proceed to the next step.
Locating the date and time settings.
In the General settings, you'll find a variety of options. Scroll down to find the Date and Time option. Tap on it to open the date and time settings.
Changing the time format.
Now you've accessed the Date and Time settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled 24-hour time. If this slider is off, gray, your iPhone is using the 12-hour format. If it's on, green, your iPhone is in the 24-hour format. To change the time format, simply tap the 24-hour time slider. Please remember, your lock screen will automatically update to display the time in your chosen format. And that's it. You've successfully changed the time format on your iPhone lock screen. You can switch between the 12-hour and 24-hour formats as often as you like by following these steps. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Enjoy using your iPhone.